What's up guys, Coach Joe here. In this video, we're gonna talk about some key knuckleball grip and release concepts and ideas. So I reiterate, there's not one knuckleball grip that works for everybody, but if you watch this video and pay attention, you're gonna understand a lot more about how to start with your grip. So think about this, fastball, we have our fingers on top, our thumb on the bottom. So the biggest mistake people will do when they're trying to learn a knuckleball is they grip it kind of the same right there, and the thumb's right underneath, and that makes it very difficult to control it. It usually spins off backwards. The way I like to explain it to guys is get it balanced with ring finger and thumb like that, and then curl these fingers up. Phil Necro even talked about having it completely wrapped around and balanced exactly right there, and then curling up from there, so a little bit deeper grip. Again, not everybody's gonna be the same. Some guys are gonna want it to be balanced between pinky and thumb right here, and then use all their other fingers, and the pinky might creep up right there. The key is that you wanna have some level of balance right here, and then you can stay behind it and shoot it out with those fingers just like that. And so if you're able to get this balance in the hand, it's actually not a difficult pitch to learn at all, and it's not that hard to get some top spin on it. Once you can get some top spin on it, and one of the best drills is right there, like that, then you have a good shot at being able to get a nice easy toss from a close distance, and then you can start moving back with it. Let me show you a couple drills. One of the best drills to start is get very close to like a wall, a net, throwing partner, and then work on getting on top of it right there. So we're just shooting it just like that, trying to take off that spin, and if we're gonna get some spin, we want a little bit of top spin on it. The last thing we want is from a short distance for it to come underneath like that, and the reason is because as we move back with it and we get more arm speed with our knuckleball, there's more of a tendency for us to lose control, have it slip out back. So when you're working on it and when you're learning it, overemphasize getting on top of the baseball and controlling it. So if you can throw from a short distance, a lot of people can, you know, from a lot of different grips, just kind of like there, that's okay from 5 feet, but you're gonna have to move it back. So really feel like you can control it like that, or using this finger too, right there, or 3 fingers, and really emphasize getting right there with it, because then from that point you can start moving back and going further and further. We had a kid in our program talk about how he would lay down in bed and just toss the knuckleball straight up into the air, trying to take off spin just like that, and doing that over and over again. Charlie Huff talked about how he would just be sitting, you know, down in his couch or in his car, tossing it up right there. It's getting that feel out of the hand, popping out. As you move further back, it's gonna feel more of an explosion out of the hand. That's one thing that some guys in our program talk about, is feeling an explosion and not just pushing it out. So again, boom, right there, that popping feeling is super key, and you're gonna wanna have a firm grip to do it. Hopefully this is helpful to you guys. Please subscribe, helps the channel, and then let me know down in the comments if you have any more questions on the knuckleball or any other pitches.